back. Today we're talking about Meta Business Suite. And if you're a business owner running Facebook or Instagram for your company, this is one of the most important things you need to have set up correctly. Meta Business Suite is the central command center for everything your business does on Meta's platforms. Your Facebook page, your Instagram account, your ad accounts, your pixel, your team access, all of it lives here. When it's set up right, it's powerful. When it's set up wrong or not set up at all, it creates problems that are genuinely painful to fix. Let's walk through what you need to know. Why it matters. Most business owners start their Facebook presence by creating a personal account, building a page, and maybe running a few boosted posts. That works at first, but the moment you want to run serious advertising, add team members, work with an agency, or track conversions on your website, you need a proper business suite setup. Without it, you're running your business on infrastructure designed for personal use. That means limited control, limited visibility, and real risk. If your personal account gets flagged or restricted, you could lose access to everything your business has built on the platform. Meta Business Suite solves that by separating your business assets from your personal profile and giving you proper control over who can access what. Setting it up. Setting up Meta Business Suite starts at business.facebook.com. You'll create a business account connected to your personal profile. Meta requires this for verification purposes, but your personal information stays private from anyone you add. From there, you'll claim or create your Facebook page and connect your Instagram account. These are your owned assets, the public presence your audience interacts with. Next, you'll set up your ad account. This is where your advertising budget lives, where campaigns are built, and where billing is managed. One common mistake here. Business owners sometimes run ads directly from their personal ad account instead of a proper business ad account. That creates attribution problems, billing headaches, and makes it nearly impossible for an agency to help you effectively. Adding users and managing access. One of the most valuable features of Business Suite is granular access control. You can add team members and assign specific roles: admin, editor, advertiser, analyst. So each person has exactly the access they need and nothing more. Here's where a lot of businesses get into trouble. They add team members or contractors as admins because it's the easiest option, then lose control of their assets when that person leaves. Always assign the minimum access level needed for someone to do their job. And when someone leaves your team, remove their access immediately. Adding agency partners. If you work with a marketing agency or plan to, Business Suite is how you give them access to your assets without handing over your login credentials. Never give an outside agency your personal Facebook password, ever. The correct process is to add your agency as a partner using their business manager ID. They'll appear as a partner organization, and you can assign them specific access to specific assets: your ad account, your page, your pixel, with defined permission levels. This keeps you in control at all times. If the relationship ends, you remove the partner and your assets stay with you. This is something we set up correctly for every client at Pulse Media Group because we've seen too many businesses that lost control of their own pages and ad accounts because access was handled carelessly. Conversion tracking. This is the piece that makes or breaks your advertising performance, and it's the most commonly broken element we find when auditing business accounts. Inside Business Suite, you'll set up your MetaPixel, a small piece of code installed on your website that tracks visitor behavior and reports back to Meta. When someone visits your site, views a service page, submits a contact form, or makes a purchase, the pixel captures that event and connects it to your ad campaigns. Without proper pixel setup, your campaigns are flying blind. Meta's algorithm can't optimize toward the outcomes that actually matter to your business. You're paying for clicks and hoping for the best. Beyond the pixel, you should also implement the Conversions API, a server-side tracking solution that addresses the gaps created by iOS privacy changes and ad blockers. Together, the Pixel and Conversions API give you the most complete picture of how your advertising is actually performing. Set up your custom events, form submissions, phone clicks, key page views, and verify them using Meta's Event Manager. Test every event yourself before launching campaigns. If the tracking isn't firing correctly, nothing else you do on the platform matters as much as it should. Common mistakes. Let me run through the mistakes we see most often because they're avoidable and they're expensive. Running ads from a personal account instead of a business ad account creates attribution chaos and limits your options significantly. Adding partners or team members as admins unnecessarily. You lose control the moment that relationship changes. Not installing the Pixel or installing it incorrectly. Your campaign optimization is only as good as your conversion data. Boosting posts instead of running proper campaigns. Boosting is the lowest sophistication form of meta advertising. It spends your money without the targeting precision, objective selection, or creative testing that real campaigns provide. Ignoring Business Suite notifications. Meta regularly flags policy issues, payment problems, and account restrictions inside Business Suite. Business owners who aren't checking it regularly often discover problems only after their ads have already stopped running. Having multiple ad accounts or business managers for one business. This fragments your data, your pixel history, and your audience insights. Consolidate everything under one properly structured business manager. Growing your business on Meta. Once the foundation is solid, Meta becomes a genuinely powerful growth platform. Your audience insights tool inside Business Suite shows you who's engaging with your content, demographics, behaviors, interests, and that data informs smarter targeting in your campaigns. Custom audiences let you retarget website visitors, video viewers, and page engagers. Lookalike audiences let you find new prospects who mirror your best existing customers. And with proper conversion tracking in place, Meta's algorithm optimizes your spend toward the outcomes that actually move your business forward. Consistent content publishing through Business Suite keeps your pages active and your audience engaged between campaigns. Meta rewards active, engaging pages with better organic reach and lower advertising costs. The businesses getting the best results on Meta aren't the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones with the cleanest account structure, the most accurate tracking, and the most disciplined approach to testing and optimization. If your Meta Business Suite is a mess, wrong access levels, missing pixel, fragmented ad accounts, or you're not even sure what's connected to what, that's exactly the kind of problem we fix at Pulse Media Group. We'll audit your current setup, identify what needs to be corrected, and build the foundation that makes your meta advertising actually work. Reach out and let's take a look at what you have. Thanks for watching.